Take a ride in the 2019 Audi E-TRON. The Audi E-TRON is an electronic crossover that's just the right size for all your driving needs. Loaded with interior technology features, the E-TRON will remind you that you're in a cutting-edge vehicle and is priced below $65,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: suspension control, electronic, driver adjustable suspension, ride control, driver adjustable suspension, height, power windows with safety reverse, hill descent control, roof rails, traction control, stability control, front suspension type, multi-link, front suspension type, strut. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.